Everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the RTOS, that's real-time operating systems. The embedded plays a major role. So what is RTOS? What is the operating systems in that? The operating system is a fundamental software program that acts as a intermediary between the computer hardware and the user application. It will interlink, it will connect the or make the bond between the hardware devices and the user application. These are the main important parameters of the operating systems. And it means the computer resources such as memory, processor unit, and practical and peripherals and devices and other parameters and other key parameters are plays a major role in the facility and mainly the interactions of the facility with the user programs. And operating systems enable to users the interact with the computer efficiently and providing the interfaces through the users such as run applications, manage the files and control systems and settings. These are the main things and enables user in the operating systems. And additionally, the operating systems are incorporate essential and the functionalities like processor management, memory management, file system management, device management, user interference, and security interference and networking capabilities are real important parameters of the operating systems. So the main important parameter and the key functions of the operating system. The definition of RTO is that is a real-time operating systems is a specialized operating systems that is employed to handle a task which is specific time and constraint and the statement and the predictability and the respective responsive. So the important definition of the RTO is, and also like a general purpose or not like a general purpose operating system, which is prioritize the task based on the fairness and the efficiency. The RTOs will prioritize the task and the importance and the real time. So the key important definitions of the RTOs. And the key features, the task scheduling, interrupt-based handling, and the communicative synchronization is the important key feature in that task scheduling. The RTOs is there for the high priority and ensuring the crucial task. Based on that, it will be executed. That is a task scheduling. Interrupt handling, that's handle the interrupts allowing the quick response time and time sensitive event mainly we can use. And also the system buses such as the memory and the other peripherals to ensure the efficient and real-time operations we can use for the interrupt handling. And the communication synchronization, the mechanism for interrupt for the task communications enabling the enhancing data and coordinate their activities. These are the important key features of the RTOS. Why we go for RTOS in the sense precise timing and task prioritization, resource management, simplified application development, and improved system reliability. These are the 5 important key parameters we can use for the RTOS methodologies. In the precise time, we can prevent the capabilities to allow the accurate control and the synchronization tasks and the events we can use for the precise timing. And task prioritization, mainly ensuring the critical tasks and executed in the timely manner. And the higher priority tasks we can do it as the precedence. And the resource management, mainly we can use for the optimal utilization of the resources, and mainly such as the CPU, memory, and other peripheral devices we can use that. And simplified application development, mainly providing the framework of the task management and the communication synchronization. And by providing the deterministic behavior, the isolation task and RTOS we can use for the label professionals. And task scheduling, the RTOS is a real-time operating system. We can interact the scheduling RTOS following steps. That is a task prioritization, task execution order, task function, and task scheduling algorithms. Based on that, we can do the task scheduling. And interrupt handling, the RTOS. The interrupt handling is an RTOS involved to manage the responding and interrupt other external devices, and where this ensuring that the critical events are handled by the timely manner without any disturbing and distributions of the execution time task. And the RTOS, the memory management, that the allocation of and deallocation of the memory is important parameter. In that, memory allocation and deallocation is resources from the based on the task it will be allocated, and each task is the memory and insufficient or sufficient memory, it will be executed to the operation effectively. And efficient memory usage in the RTOS prevent the memory lags and other improvement of the system stability. And the system effectively used in the optimized allocation and the deallocations and the memory resources to reduce the errors and other operations. With the example of RTOS, the free RTOS and VX words and QNX are used in the example real-time operations of the LMP. Even though we have some limitations in the RTOS, that is increased complexity and high resources requirement and potential for priority invention. So complexity, suppose an additional complexity in the systems will develop by the process in the real-time scheduling. It will be varying. The task synchronization and the resource management requirement will be improved, and implementation will be consideration in the increase the complexity. And higher resources requirements having the resource to compare the non real time operating systems. It will be real time, and other scheduling algorithm consume the additional memory and it will the processing power. So this is one of the main limitation in the RTOS. And other thing is the priority inversion. Based on the priority inversions, it will be occur the low priority, the task will be hold. So automatically the queue will be increases. So automatically the time and other will be goes down. The main application aerospace, automotive, medical, industrial application, we are using the RTOS applications. The conclusion, it will be the real-time operating system, the essential for ensuring the timely based and other predictable responsibility in critical application, and other the virtual role maintain safe, effectively reliability and the performance based. The technology advanced based only in the continue grow and driving the innovations and enhance the real-time computing capabilities in the industries. These are the main applications of the RTOS. Thank you.